Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today you are going to learning a stunning topic to upgrade yourself. Yes, ChatGPT with Microsoft Excel. Who wants to make a strong career by adding artificial intelligence techniques to your professional way of learning and working professional area? How it is possible? Yes, it's truly possible by learning a basic formulas in Microsoft Excel. And if you don't know how to write a formula, for a simple example, sum of numbers, sum of the range, averages, and a cumulative result, what you want to make a strong formulas in Excel. Yes, Excel, which adding ChatGPT AI add-on really help you. What the requirement you need, you just type it and get the solution from this. Upcoming lecture, I'll give you step-by-step process. Follow, subscribe. Thank you.